gave a makeover to this space, and the theme we choose is rainbows and rainbow colors. First, let's see how this space is decorated, and then we'll jump on to the DIYs. Before moving further, if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel Little Ruby and hit on that like button.
Playrooms are joy to design. Here we choose colorful rainbow themed play area incorporating with my daughter's favorite themes. Wall decals are wonderful for a play area to look cheerful, and they are super affordable. And to the center, we hung this big rainbow decor which I made. Stay tuned for this easy DIY. The other side of the wall are these simple DIY decorations which are also designed in rainbow colors. For this I used 3 foam pool noodles, then wrapping this yarn around as shown and repeating the same with the other ones too. To get the shape of the rainbow, inserting a gauge wire through the top one, with the hot glue joining the 3 pieces. But here the wire which I used was not enough strong, so tried fixing this in other way. For the heart clouds, I cut the heart shape out of a foam board and cut few squares from the white tissue paper. Tip off the pencil to the center of the square as shown, dip it in the glue and fill the heart foam board by repeating the same process. Then taking a long piece of foam board and hot glue this to the back of the heart. For the next craft, I got this house shaped thingy from Dollar Tree and paint. For the next craft, I am going to reuse this S. On a plastic sheet, pour few drops of colors randomly. Spray few drops of water and mix them as shown. If you have realized I made a mistake here, as we flipped an S on the sheet, the paint should be in the reverse. So somehow fix this. This heart wall hanging is from Dollar Tree Valentine's Day decor. Painted them with the same colors and my little princess name is on. Best way to decorate kids' room and raise positivity in kids is by quotes. Here I made this wall hanging with simple quotes with Bright and her favorite pictures. I used sample pieces from Home Depot as base. Moving on to the designs I made, I used Canva to design them. Here are few designs. Create a design, click on this button and select, or go to the templates and select. There are few sample designs that can be used and edited, or directly go to the create design and choose the measurements. From elements, I choose rocket and stars, resized and adjusted them. Then added background color and text as shown. Download the picture and it's done. For the hanging shelf, I used this rainbow wall decor hot glued with the wooden board. I reused this decor from the previous play area decorations. Check out that video, the links will be in the description box below. I used leftover pom-poms from my previous projects, made a garland which added a good look and complemented the space. We put her most favorite things in the house wall shelf. Hope you like this video. Please watch my other home decoration videos and please do subscribe to my channel Little Rubif.